Hello everyone. This video is to show you how to do unrealized gain-loss in SQL accounting. Unrealized gain-loss refers to profits or losses that have occurred on paper, but the relevant transactions have not been completed. It is a provision of currency difference during the period ends. Let's see the example here. Customer A has an invoice amount $100 with currency rate 4.30, local amount ERM 430. Customer B has an invoice amount $200 with currency rate 4.20, local amount ERM 840. Total of USD amount is 300 and total for local amount is ERM 1270. At the period ends, the currency rate fluctuates, the rate now is 4.15. So the outstanding amount should be revalued and the local amount will now be ERM 1245. As a result, we need to write down customer local value by RM 25. With this, we will need to raise a credit note with dummy customer. After revised, the aging will be RM 1245, same as after the revalued value. Let's see how it can be done in the software. Go to Customer. Print Customer Aging Report. Put in your month and date. Then, I will filter the currency with USD as I want to check on this. And now we will need to choose the report format for unrealized gain-loss. Then click on Apply. So, this is exactly the situation as previous screen. Customer ARM 430, Customer BRM 840. Total RM 1270. When you click Preview, system will prompt out a box for you to key in the latest currency rate. So you see you need to raise a credit note amount RM 25. Then, you can click on this button, and click on the Post DNCN adjustment. Then, we can go check on the credit note. System will auto-post it to a dummy customer call audit adjustment with amount RM 25. So now the total will be RM 1245. That's all for the video, thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.